So, name brands. You get those Samsungs, the LGs, the Tesla batteries, the good 18650s. They're made of high quality materials, purified materials, but they're expensive, right? Those Labtech and all those other knockoff batteries, I'm guessing they didn't come from LG and Samsung and Tesla, right? Milwaukee, I think their batteries are coming from Samsung or Panasonic or something like that. So we have to sit there and take a look at it. I know it's a washed out slide, at least in here in the classroom. Tier 1 batteries are the high quality manufacturers. They're using true clean processes. Tier 2 are okay. They have a little bit of deficiencies, a little bit issues in the manufacturing processes. There could be a minor amount of issues in the battery, can get cranky on itself on the inside. And the tier 3, that is where these things are less than $1. That's where the energy density is not really there, but these things are coming over from the other countries and they are extremely cheap. That's why we're seeing vape pen fires. That's why we're seeing micromobility fires in these big cities, because I go to Costco and I have to pay $3,500 for a really good scooter that's going to come with tier 1 batteries, a good BMS, good temperature monitoring sensor, or I can go on down and I can buy a $300 scooter that does exactly the same thing. How did you cut the price by $2,700 in the quality of the materials? Elon's proud of his batteries, guys. The manufacturing process for Tesla batteries.
I need you and I want you, honey child. Just to kiss you, baby, walk a million miles.
Don't see anybody in there.
I love you so.
Very clean equipment.
You give me a charge and it feels so fine.
Purified materials. Extreme quality control. We still continue to see issues with these types of batteries, right? I would argue that's probably not the battery itself that's just getting cranky. It's something else, whether it be the battery management system or something else failing. That's a tier 1 manufacturer. Let's take a look at a tier 3 manufacturer. They got a good AV system
preparation
too.
step: active, conductive, binder material and solvent to mix into paste under vacuum mix. Solvent is added for adjusting viscosity of slurry. The slurry of paste to filter in order to prevent rough surface during coating process. Filtration process will control the solid content and homogenization of the materials. Then check the viscosity by using viscosity tester. The thickness and weight of the electrode is measured according to requirement.
Fine-tuned measuring.
The coated foil is fed directly into a long drying oven to bake the electrode material onto
There's
the
the
foil.
anode right there. Clean conditions.
After the foil is coated, it is compressed to correct thickness by 2 laminating rollers, also known as calendaring process. The coated foils are subsequently fed into
The
slitting
automation
machines
that we
to
just
cut the
saw
foil
from the
into narrower
Teslas,
strips.
that's nice and all.
The current
But
collector
come
is
on,
welding and
who
tabbing
doesn't
together
like
using
homemade?
ultrasonic welding
Come on,
machine.
homemade, handmade sounds higher quality, right?
Next, use
It's made with
winding
love,
machine
guys.
to win strips of anode, separator and cathode into cell core.
Handmade rolls of
The
cells.
separator is then
Outstanding.
sandwiched.
I don't see any potential points of failure from any of that. That's absolutely good, right? That's a tier 3 manufacturer. So the battery itself inside the cell could just be a bomb waiting to go off. It's one of those ones, right? And even the good ones have issues, right?